Hey guys, it's Lisa here. In today's video, I'm going to be showing all of you how to download Snapchat. So if you've been seeing all of the 3D Bitmojis that people have been posting online or been putting in their interactive classrooms, and you want to know how to do that, this is how they're doing it. They have the application for their phones called Snapchat. I'm sure you've seen a lot of probably your students, maybe your kids. They have these cute photos with the filters, with the cat or the dog ears and the tongues hanging out. This is the app that they're using for all of that. So I'm going to be showing you how to download this so that you too can have some 3D Bitmoji fun. After you have Snapchat downloaded, make sure you check out my other 3D Bitmoji tutorials, how to change their clothes, how to find extra lenses for the Bitmojis. There's some here in front of you. You can see the money, the Bitmoji sitting in the drink. There's a bunch of dancing ones. There's exercising ones. They're super fun. So I'm actually going to link in the description of this video a link to my document. It's like a master search list of 3D Bitmojis that you can search in Snapchat. So here we go. What I'm going to do first is I'm going to cast my screen for my phone so I can show you exactly how I'm going to do this. Okay, up and it pulled up immediately this time, which is awesome. Okay, so depending on if you're an iPhone or a Droid user, you're just going to go into whatever app store that you use for your device. For me, that is the Play Store here. Okay, and I already have Snapchat downloaded, but if you were to come up to the search and just type in Snapchat, okay, it's the yellow square with a little white ghost in the middle, and here it would either say install or download. You're going to do that first, okay? It's just going to take a few moments, and then it'll give you the option to open it afterwards. Okay, so you can click open and go right into the app. Okay. So usually what's going to happen first is this screen is going to pop up and it's going to ask you to either log in or sign up. So if you're watching this video, you probably do not have an account and you're going to want to click the blue button that says sign up. Okay, then you're going to want to put in your name. Okay, so I'm just going to make a fake account here. Jane Doe. Okay, I'm going to pick a fake birthday. Hit continue. Okay, so then it's going to be your username. Okay. You can change your username if you want, but for me, this is fine. And then I'm going to hit continue again. And then you're just going to pick any password. So, okay. So let's hit continue. So it's setting my password right now with all the information that I've included. Okay, then they're going to send you a verification text. Okay. And then there we go. So now I'm going to hit continue. It's going to ask me if I want to add friends. I'm going to skip that for now. Yes, I'm sure I want to skip that. Okay, so then here I can have my camera front facing. Okay, there we go. And then you can start to search your lenses. So if you come up to the search and you type in Bitmoji, and you scroll down, you'll see a bunch of your lenses here. Okay, so then you're going to see the Bitmoji pop up. Okay, and this is not my Bitmoji, but they're just showing you an example right now. Okay, but once you have done this, you can actually link your Bitmoji and your Snap so that your actual Bitmoji pops up here on the screen. Okay, I really hope that this video helped all of you learn how to download the Snapchat application. Make sure you check out my other 3D Bitmoji videos after you've downloaded the app. Okay, if you have questions, comment down below. Do not forget to like this video, subscribe to my channel, and click that little bell icon because then you'll get notifications when I upload new videos. All right, take care, everyone.